Good Samaritan. Introduction. The concept of Good Samaritan was introduced to encourage people to help road accident victims without fear of legal trouble. Earlier, people avoided helping injured persons due to harassment by police and courts. The Motor Vehicles Amendment Act, 2019 provides legal protection to such helpers. The aim is to save lives by ensuring timely medical assistance. This provision reflects a humanitarian and people-friendly approach. Meaning of Good Samaritan. A Good Samaritan is a person who, in good faith and without expectation of reward, voluntarily helps a road accident victim. The help may include taking the victim to a hospital or providing emergency assistance. The helper must act honestly and without negligence. The law recognizes such assistance as a social duty. Protection is given only when help is voluntary and genuine. Legal protection to Good Samaritans. The Act provides that a Good Samaritan shall not be liable for any civil or criminal action for helping the victim, forced to disclose personal details such as name or address, compelled to appear in court or police station repeatedly. This protection removes fear and hesitation among the public. It ensures that helpers are treated with respect and dignity. Rights of Good Samaritans. A Good Samaritan has the right to remain anonymous if he chooses, leave immediately after handing over the victim to hospital or police, not be detained or harassed by authorities. These rights encourage public participation in saving lives. Hit-and-run cases. Introduction. Hit-and-run accidents are cases where the driver who causes the accident escapes without helping the victim. Such cases are common and victims often remain unidentified or uncompensated. The Motor Vehicles Amendment Act, 2019 strengthens compensation provisions for such victims. The aim is to provide immediate financial relief to victims or their families. This reflects the welfare objective of the Act. Meaning of hit-and-run accident. A hit-and-run accident is one in which a motor vehicle causes death or injury. The identity of the vehicle or driver cannot be traced. The offender escapes from the scene. Victims in such cases cannot claim compensation from the wrongdoer due to lack of identification. Hit-and-run compensation scheme. The Act provides fixed compensation in hit-and-run cases. Compensation is paid by the government. It is provided without lengthy court procedures. The aim is quick and minimum relief. This ensures social justice to accident victims. Amount of compensation. Under the amended provisions, in case of death, compensation is increased to a higher fixed amount. In case of grievous injury, compensation is also enhanced. The increase reflects concern for victims and rising cost of living. Procedure for claiming compensation. The claim is made through police records of the accident, verification by concerned authorities, payment from a designated fund. The process is simplified to avoid delay and hardship. Difference between Good Samaritan and hit-and-run provisions. Good Samaritan provisions protect helpers of accident victims. Hit-and-run provisions provide compensation to victims or families. One focuses on encouragement and protection. The other focuses on relief and welfare. Both aim to reduce loss of life and suffering. Conclusion. The provisions relating to Good Samaritans and hit-and-run compensation under the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act, 2019 strengthen the humanitarian side of motor vehicle law. By protecting helpers and ensuring compensation to helpless victims, the law promotes social responsibility and justice. These provisions are highly relevant for LLB examinations and practical understanding of accident compensation law.